Zhongcheng Qingdao New Material manufactures 2.5 mm to 19 mm PP honeycomb board for industrial packaging, printing, and floor protection. Made from polypropylene with extrusion and lamination technology. The board is lightweight and high strength. Available in custom colors, sizes, and different matte textures. It supports UV, ESD, flame retardant, and corona-treated options. Widely used for pallet sleeve, automotive parts packaging, flight case panel, van lining, signage, flame retardant floor protection, turnover boxes, e-commerce warehousing, and reusable logistics solutions. Contact Polyfavo for custom factory direct supply.